Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we are going to be making a hot, delicious, fast meal. Anyone can do this. We are going to be using chicken breast. I usually like to get mine from Sam's. I always buy in bulk, which is better. And then on the side we're going to be making some white rice. So in today's recipe I'm going to be using parsley flakes. I'm going to be using this Weber beef canned chicken seasoning and also some garlic powder. I'm going to be going ahead and placing my chicken on to my pan, and then I'm going to be also preparing the rice in the aroma rice cooker that I have in front of me. So I already went ahead and I washed my chicken. Now I'm just gonna be placing all my chicken boneless breast onto my pan. I'm going to be seasoning all this chicken with the spices that I showed you guys. I went ahead and already preheated my oven to 375. Like I said, we're going to be taking our spices. Here's our garlic. You can use as much as you want. I love garlic. Here's the other one. My Weber beef canned chicken. Now I'm going to be taking my parsley flakes and putting it on there as well. I'm gonna go ahead and place it into the oven. Let it cook for about 30 minutes. Just keep an eye on your chicken. But what I'm also gonna do before I put it in the oven is I'm gonna place butter because I love chicken with butter. So now I am going to be making 2 cups of white rice. I usually fill it up all the way to the top. I'm gonna be pouring it into the rice cooker over here. That's 1, 2, and I like to put a little bit extra, just a little tiny bit extra, if you could see. Just pour it into the rice cooker. I'm going to be taking a bottled water and pouring it into the rice cooker, and all you're gonna do is press white rice and let it cook by itself. There you go. I already clicked the rice cooker. It's gonna cook by itself. It's gonna take a while and it'll beep after it's done. So I'm also going to be making some vegetables on the side. Of course, I'm going to be putting some butter into this. And I'm going to be also placing garlic on top. I love garlic, guys. So now I'm just going to wait for my rice cooker to beep. My white rice will be done. And place that in there and let that cook. And I'm also going to be waiting on the chicken. Look at that, my chicken is all done, and now I am waiting about 4 minutes for my rice to come out. And remember guys, presentation is the key. But when you're hungry, come on, we really don't care about presentation, guys. We're just hungry, we want to eat. Yummy. Look at that, my rice is ready. Now I'm gonna get a plate so that I can put all my stuff in together, and yeah, you guys, we're gonna enjoy this bomb. Look at that, guys. So I went ahead and placed all my chicken, my rice, my steamed vegetables onto a plate. Look at that, looks so delicious. I am starving, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, this little recipe, a hot delicious meal for you or your family, or whenever you and your girlfriends or your boyfriends are getting together, you know. So don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe, and we'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.